Hello friends, this is Sanjay Purohit from Sanket Study Center. Today we'd like to see English question paper 3, standard 10 of Marvel paper set. Marvel paper set, question paper 3. One was a blueprint paper, second one we have seen already, and this is third. Section A. Read the following passage and select the correct option for the question of 2 marks. Paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. I finally stayed where I was, brooding. Brooding means thinking. Brooding matlab thinking. Yes, paper does have more patience. Your first question, select the correct statement. I finally stayed when I was brooding. When नहीं के बदले where आएगा मतलब ये wrong है. Number B, why I was feeling a little depressed. Number C, paper has more patience than people. And number D, paper does not have more patience. So option C is the correct answer. Paper has more patience than people. Option C. Select the correct antonym of the word energetic. Energetic का ऊपर से पैराग्राफ में से अगर आप आंसर लेते हो तो ऑप्शन है ए लिस्टलेस. Listless is the answer. Read the following passage and answer the question given below. 3 marks. Poor Kisa Gautami now went from house to house and people pitied her and said, here is mustard seed, take it. But when she asked, did a son or daughter, a father or mother die in your family? They answered her, alas, the living are few, but the dead are many. Don't remind us of our deepest grief. And there was no house, but some beloved one had died in it. इसका पैराग्राफ था. अब इसका आंसर देखो. What did Kisa Gautami ask from house to house? Okay, mustard seed. तो लिखेंगे कैसे? Kisa Gautami asked for mustard seeds from house to house. Question number 4. What clarification did Kisa make before taking mustard seed? When she asked them a question, the people were unhappy because many members had died and the living were few. Question क्या था? What clarification did Kisa make before taking mustard seed? तो Kisa, sorry, मैंने गलत आंसर बता दिया, sorry. Kisa clarified if anyone had died in the family before taking mustard seed. कोई आपके घर पे मर गया है? मैंने दूसरे का आंसर बता दिया. And now जो आंसर बताया उसका क्वेश्चन, why did the people feel unhappy when she asked them for a question? When she asked them a question, the people were unhappy because many members had died and the livings were few. तो अगर मैं फोर्थ का वापिस आंसर बताऊं, what clarification did Kisa make before taking mustard seed? Kisa clarified if anyone had died in the family before taking mustard seed. And question number 5 का answer, why did the people feel unhappy when she asked them a question? So people, when she asked them a question, people were unhappy because many members had died and the livings were few. अब वापिस आपका filling the blanks choosing the correct words given below ऐसा है. Not a leaf remained on the tree. The corn was totally destroyed. Lancho's soul was filled with sadness. The flowers were gone from the plants. When the storm has passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his son. तो पहले में मैंने आपको पूरा आंसर के साथ ब्लैंक बताई, फिर भी नंबर 6 में आएगा रिमेन्ड, नंबर 7 में आएगा सोल, नंबर 8 में आएगा वर, नंबर 9 में आएगा फ्रॉम एंड नंबर 10 में आएगा मिडल. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका कौन सा रहेगा? तो के एक पोएम होती है और इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर जो हम लोगों ने प्रीवियसली नहीं किया था, बट नाउ इट इज मस्ट. The way a crow swooped down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood. I repeat the paragraph. The way a crow swooped down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood. What do the crow and hemlock represent? Okay, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. The crow and hemlock represent sadness or sorrow. Sadness or sorrow. Where does a crow sit? Where does a crow sit? So very simple. The crow sits on a hemlock tree. Crow sits on a hemlock tree. अब जो आपका फेवरेट फिगर ऑफ स्पीच, आपका फिगर ऑफ स्पीच और इनडायरेक्ट दो में मार्क्स जाते हैं. Select the correct figure of speech from the option given below. Sorry. Question 20. His strength behind bar. His strength behind bars. ऑप्शन है एनास्ट्रॉफी, तो यहाँ पे कोई भी प्रकार का इन्वर्जन नहीं लगता. सिमिली, लाइक, सो, एज यूज हुआ नहीं है. लिटोर्स, यहाँ पे नो, नॉट, नेगेशन है नहीं. तो आंसर इज सी, आयरनी. क्योंकि स्ट्रेंथ बिहाइंड द बार आयरोनिकल है. अगर किसी की स्ट्रेंथ का यूज ही नहीं कर रहे हैं तो भी राइट हम लोग उसको आयरोनिकली, सैटायरिकली, राइट, सार्केस्टिकली लिखते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इज आयरनी. 21 मतलब कि ऑप्शन सी था, आयरनी. 21. साइलेंस इज गोल्डन, द फ्रीडम इज स्वीट. ऑप्शन ए मेटाफॉर. आगे भी ये आ चुका है. हियर विदाउट, it is an implied comparison. Without using so as like, they have compared silence with golden and freedom, sweetness. मतलब not at all simile, no epigram, no repetition, no personification. Hence answer is metaphor. अब हम लोग rectification of error देखते हैं सेक्शन सी में. बराबर. Oldest boys were working in the field. Question 28. तो oldest के बदले आएगा older boy. बराबर, older boys. And the smaller ones were playing. And के बदले while the smaller ones were playing. On the house until the woman. Right? बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. On the house के बदले आएगा near the house. Near the house until the woman was called to them all come for dinner. Was called के बदले आएगा सिर्फ called to them all corner for dinner. तो 28 में जो आपकी एरर है ओल्डेस्ट, इसके बदले ओल्डर, एंड के बदले वाइल, ऑन के बदले 30 में नियर, और वॉज कॉल्ड के बदले ओनली कॉल्ड. बराबर, वॉज कॉल्ड के बदले ओनली कॉल्ड. ये आपका एरर करेक्शन हो गया. अब ब्लैंक्स देखते हैं. ही टर्न हिज एरोप्लेन स्लोली टू, क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 में है द, राइट, नॉर्थ इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई डकोटा, राइट, आपका so that it would be easier for me to follow him. I was very happy to go behind a strange aeroplane. मैंने ब्लैंक के साथ आंसर बताया, बड़ा क्लियर कट 32, 33, 34, 35 बता देते हैं. 32 में आर्टिकल थी, 33 में so that, 34 में for and 35 में was. The most important one, इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन. जो आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है, इसको आपको लिख लिख के प्रैक्टिस करना है माय डियर स्टूडेंट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपको क्वेश्चन रीड करूंगा. वांडा सी वुड से गिविंग वन ऑफ हर फ्रेंड्स अ नज. नज मतलब गिविंग ए पुश. नज मींस गिविंग ए पुश, एल्बो से खास करके. कम ऑन, गिव ए नज. टेल अस हाउ मेनी ड्रेस डिड यू से हैड हैंगिंग अप इन योर क्लोजेट. 100, Wanda would say. 100, exclaim all the little girls. मैं क्वेश्चन वापस से बोलता हूँ. Wanda, she would say, giving her one of her friends a nudge, tell us how many dresses did you say had hanging up in your closet. 100, Wanda would say. 100, exclaim all little girls. अब इसका आंसर आप लोग देखो, राइट. तो आंसर में giving one of her friends a nudge, she would ask, यहां पे ये आना ही चाहिए. she would ask Wanda to tell them how many dresses she had said had been hanging up in her closet. Wanda would reply that she had 100 dresses in her closet. She had a. All the little girl exclaimed surprisingly that She had 100 dresses in her closet. Now do as directed देखते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन फिर इसका आंसर. तो choose the correct interrogative. Those that have been born cannot avoid dying. Those that have been born cannot avoid dying. तो इसका आंसर आएगा can those, बराबर, can those that have been born avoid dying, क्वेश्चन मार्क. मैं वापिस आंसर बोलता हूं, ऑप्शन बी, can those that have been born avoid dying, राइट, ऑप्शन बी. इसके बाद आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द लेडी ऑफ द हाउस मस्ट प्रिपेयर सैंडविचेस. द लेडी ऑफ द हाउस मस्ट प्रिपेयर सैंडविचेस, पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो ऑप्शन सी, sandwiches must be prepared by the lady of the house. Sandwiches must be prepared by the lady of the house. ऑप्शन कौन सा? तो के सी. अब क्वेश्चन टैग है जो आपका फेवरेट है, एवरग्रीन रेन फॉरेस्ट कवर 30% ऑफ दिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट. एवरग्रीन रेन फॉरेस्ट कवर 30% ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट. तो के 39 में ऑप्शन ए, डोंट दे. एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट बहुत सारे होते हैं, डोंट दे, ऑप्शन ए. Question number 40. Why should you stand when you have paid for a seat? Why should you stand? Why should you stand when you have paid for a seat? आपको करेक्ट assertive बनाना है. तो you should not stand when you have paid for a seat. You should not stand when you have paid for a seat. Question number 41. It is too funny to argue. Remove two. It is too funny to argue. आंसर है आपका, it is so funny that one cannot argue. It is so funny that one cannot argue. कौन सा ऑप्शन रहेगा? तो कि आपका ऑप्शन रहेगा बी, ऑप्शन बी, राइट. नेक्स्ट वन 42. Many new unusual experiences were given to her by watching the street. Many new unusual experiences were given to her by watching street. करना क्या है? एक्टिव वॉइस. तो अगर आप देखो, वॉचिंग द स्ट्रीट गेव हर मैनी न्यू अनयूजुअल एक्सपीरियंसेस. वॉचिंग द स्ट्रीट गेव हर मैनी न्यू अनयूजुअल एक्सपीरियंसेस. 43, द लास्ट वन, 43. स्टिपनोवा इज रियली एन एक्सेलेंट हाउसकीपर. एक्सक्लेमेटरी बनाना है, एक्सक्लेमेटरी बनाना है. स्टिफनोवा इज रियली एन एक्सेलेंट हाउसकीपर. तो आपको एक्सक्लेमेटरी, व्हाट एन एक्सेलेंट हाउसकीपर स्टिफनोवा is, exclamation, is. तो स्टीफनोवा इज रियली एन excellent housekeeper. तो इसमें क्या लिखेंगे? what an excellent housekeeper स्टीफनोवा is. ऑप्शन सी यहाँ पे आपका खत्म हो गया है, राइट. तो पूरा पेपर का ग्रामेटिकल पोर्शन, कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, एवरीथिंग इज ओवर. आई थिंक यू मस्ट हैव गॉट सम नॉइजेस फ्रॉम सराउंडिंग एरिया, so sorry for that. And if you like that this video is quite helpful to me, you can share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye from Sanjay Purohit. Do prepare grammar all that well. Thanks.